One thing to remember about coordination compounds, or one important thing about them, is the coordination number. And the coordination number is basically how many things the metal is attached to. So for example, for this kind of silver diamine, we see that we have 2 points of connections, the 2 amines. And so this coordination number here is equal to 2. An amine, an NH3, is what's known as a monodente ligand. The mono means one, the dente kind of means tooth. And so basically the idea is that this ligand is only chomping down with one tooth. It's only got 1 point of connection. Let's take a look at a different example. So here we have this cobalt, and then we have these nitrogens. But these nitrogens are attached to one another through these carbons. And so you can see now we have 2 attachment points for this one ligand. And so this is what's known as a bidente ligand. So kind of biting down with 2 teeth. And the coordination number here is still 2 because the cobalt is kind of attached to 2 things, right? The 2 nitrogens. Sometimes you'll also see these polydente ligands, so more than one attachment point. Sometimes they're also called chelating agents. Chelating means like claw, so kind of same idea as the tooth, as the ligand is pressing down on the transition metal. So here's another example of some coordination compounds. You can see both of these cobalts have a coordination number of 6. They're both attached to 6 different things, but you can see different compounds. So here it's the same thing I drew over there, right? That corresponds to this compound over here, and you can see there's just 3 of them. And then this other one right here is EDTA. This is actually all just one big old ligand that has 6 points of attachment.